How to get got to know you filter on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to see, or how we are going to get how to use, or how to get the got to know you filter on Snapchat. So guys, to get this filter, what you need to do, you have to first go to your Google Play Store, and then you need to update your Snapchat here. So after updating your Snapchat, I have updated, so let me just skip it. So guys, after updating your Snapchat, what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to click on Snapchat, and then after clicking to the Snapchat, you will find an option here, sticker option, on the below of your screen. So what you need to do here, just click on this sticker option, and then you need to just scroll up. Okay, so after doing this, what you have to do here, it's very pretty simple. And also, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get the more informative videos every day. So now here, to get the filter, got to know you filter, what you need to do, you have to simply click on this trending option. Okay, so and make sure you have to update your Snapchat. So after clicking here, you can see here guys, this is the filter you will find on the first option, got to know you. So guys, in this way you can get the got to know you filter on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video. Take care.